Hi, today I'll show you how to quickly rename multiple files using the macro recorder and keyboard extension. I have some sales reports that were generated once a week. The dates in them are in the day-month format, and I want to change them to the international year-month-day format. Let's get started. First, you need to record the sequence of actions. I select the first file in the folder and start recording in the macro recorder. I press F2 to rename it. I press right arrow to move the cursor to the end of the file name. I press left arrow 4 times to move the cursor before the day. I insert a hyphen. Now I hold down Shift and press right arrow twice to select the day in the file name. I cut the selected number using the Ctrl+X shortcut. I move the cursor to the end. I'll add another hyphen. Then I'll paste the day from the clipboard using the Ctrl+V shortcut. Now, the date is in the international format. I press Enter to apply the changes. And as the final step, I use down arrow to select the next file in the folder. Now you can stop recording. Check the fast box so the actions repeat much faster. And check the loop box so you can specify the number of repetitions. In my case, that's 9 repetitions. Start playback and enjoy the process. Since the sequence was short, the macro recorder will complete the task in a matter of seconds. But for you, that saves minutes, especially if there are far more than 10 files. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of keyboard extension.